If Chrome on Windows 11 is showing blurry text, blocky text, blank text, or fonts that just do not look right, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, so you can get Chrome text displaying properly again. We'll start with the fastest settings inside Chrome, then move into Windows font tuning and display scaling, and finish with a font reset if the issue is caused by corrupted font settings. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes. Let's get started. First, we're going to toggle Chrome's hardware acceleration. This is one of the most common causes of text rendering problems, especially if your graphics drivers are conflicting with Chrome. Open Google Chrome, then click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left and click System. On this page, find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it is currently turned on, switch it off. If it is turned off, switch it on. The idea here is to test whether your graphics card is the reason the text is not displaying correctly. After you change the setting, a blue Relaunch button will appear. Click that button so Chrome restarts with the new configuration. After Chrome opens again, check to see if the text now looks normal. In many cases, this single step solves the issue right away. If the text still looks jagged, blurry, or pixelated, the next thing to do is run the Windows 11 ClearType text tuner. ClearType is Windows' built-in font smoothing system, and if it is not calibrated properly, Chrome can inherit that poor text rendering. To begin, open the Windows 11 Start menu and type ClearType into the search bar. Click on Adjust ClearType Text, which opens the Control Panel tuning tool. Make sure the box next to Turn on ClearType is checked, then click Next. Windows will now show you several quick screens with different text samples. On each screen, choose the block of text that looks the sharpest and easiest to read. Take your time here, because the goal is to match the font smoothing to your monitor and your eyes. After you go through all 5 tuning screens, click Finish, then restart Chrome so the updated font rendering can take effect. This step is especially helpful if Chrome text looks slightly fuzzy, even though everything else on your computer seems fine. Now, let's move on to Chrome's high DPI scaling behavior. This fix is very useful if you are using a high-resolution display, a 4K monitor, or a laptop with a high scaling percentage. In those cases, Windows may be stretching Chrome in a way that makes text appear soft or distorted. First, completely close Google Chrome. Then right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Near the bottom, click Change High DPI Settings. A new window will open. Check the box under High DPI Scaling Override, which may also be labeled Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Then look for the drop-down menu that says Scaling Performed By. Set that option to Application. This tells Windows to let Chrome handle its own scaling instead of forcing the display settings. Click OK, then click Apply, and finally launch Chrome again. Once Chrome reloads, check whether the text is sharper and more readable. If the problem still continues, the last fix we'll try is resetting your default fonts in Chrome. Sometimes text can appear as weird boxes, strange symbols, or unreadable characters if the browser is using a corrupted or incompatible font setting. To fix this, open Chrome again, click the 3 vertical dots, go to Settings, and then click Appearance from the menu. Scroll until you find Customize Fonts and open it. Here, set your standard font to a reliable, widely supported system font like Times New Roman or Arial. Then make sure your sans serif font is set to something clean and common like Arial or Calibri. If you see unusual custom fonts selected, replace them with normal defaults. After that, go back and refresh the page or restart Chrome to see the result. This can help restore proper text display across websites that were being affected by font overrides. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the Chrome text issue on Windows 11. Start with hardware acceleration, then move to ClearType, then high DPI scaling, and finally font settings if needed. That step-by-step order gives you the best chance of fixing the problem quickly without guessing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.